All right, this is the one right here. I'm a little jelly. Whoever buys this, outdoor kitchen, outdoor lighting, pre-wired for solar. You can add a fridge, you can do whatever you want. Storage, roof rack, AC, 2 entry doors. Look at this, extended ramp. You got independent suspension. Look how nice this is. You can make this whatever you want. Fold down tables, super clean trailer. But look at this, Kurt independent suspension with some BFGs on it. This Nobu is clean, ready to go. AC, everything works. Free delivery, we'll ship to all 48 states. This is the one.